Welcome back to another video. I'm just pretty much here gonna review the spiral twister Vegetti. I'm just gonna review this for you. I'm not a real reviewer, but I am a vegan, so this is gonna be a very crucial thing to switch it up pretty much with what I do. So I'm pretty much just gonna do a quick review. I'm gonna show you it in action, and yeah, hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and let's get to it. I'm looking at the instructions real fast. It's actually cool. If you want to know what this is actually used for, you know, your pot, any type of pasta pretty much. And I see they have potato pancakes. So any type of pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, anything, you know, you want to do with vegetables. And I see they have some recipes. So for someone that didn't know, you know, say you didn't want it raw, you can actually boil squash, carrot, potatoes, etc. after you cut it up. All right, so we have a thin side and we have a thick side, which is cool. And I hear this is really a placeholder. So say it gets too small, you could just, you know, stick it in, you know, and hold it in and finish out the job. So right now I'm going to be using zucchini. Gonna chop the ends off both. Now I have my plate, and let me sanitize real quick. I prefer thin, so I'm guessing we're just gonna put this in. See the blade? So I guess we're just gonna put this in and turn. Okay. Whoa. And I'm pretty much, it pretty much locks in. So like if you push it towards the blade, pretty much just locks in. Pretty nice. This is very cool actually. The Vegetti. This is very interesting. You know, vegetarians, vegans, or people just wanting to eat a clean meal. All right, so you see how I'm getting short? So I hear it's best to not just leave it in, but to actually stick it. It's crazy. Almost like a pasta salad. So they said stick it to the placeholder, just keep it going. Interesting. Wow. The Vegetti. Oh, and it keeps going. So here's my thin minus my pasta salad spiral. So here's how the thin noodles look. And now I'm gonna give you a demo of the thick noodle. I'm just gonna set that over there. Another pasta salad. So now we're gonna go thick. Wow. Sorry, I'm actually on thin. I'm like, man, I guess I couldn't get enough. Okay. So flip side actually. We went thick first. Now we're going thin. It's kind of hard to read these. We're going thick. We went thick first, so now we're going thin. Okay. About to say, these look smaller. Okay. It's not a super big difference, but this is very cool. I'm gonna tell you that now. I rock with this. The Vegetti. You know, a better alternative versus, you know, having a big spiraler giant machine. And it's only, I think, got this for $10 as seen on TV. Most maybe 15 bucks at your local Walmart or department store. Okay. Yeah, this is very cool. The Vegetti. Wow. The Vegetti. You know, I got a little muscles. Put it on pretty tight. Go. So you have your thick and your thin. They're almost not really, I mean, you can tell they're not super, it's not like a super difference, but you can see it. You can have some, it makes spirals just, I don't know, in between. So I guess you have some plus. But yes, this is your Vegetti. One more look. Like I said, this is your placeholder. When it gets small, just stick it on and finish out the job. Vegetti seen on TV. And like I said, hopefully if you like this video, I'm not a reviewer, I just wanted to review this because this is something I'm going to be using a lot. Subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and have a good day.